Hi, I'm Leon, your technician here at OpenRoad Lexus Port Moody. I want to talk to you about a new service that we offer our guests, TruVideo. TruVideo is a technician-made video that we send directly to the guest via text.
Just wanted to go over a few things with you. First of all, your brake measurements here. So your front brakes here are sitting at approximately 10 millimeters, just if I measure on my pads. The second one in there that you can see is 10 mil, and it fills out the pad quite nicely.
Guests have an opportunity to communicate with the technician, and the technician has an opportunity to show the guest what's going on with their vehicle, so that they can make an educated decision on how to proceed with repairs.
And so when I measure your tires, I measure down, and you're sitting at approximately 830 seconds on your rear tires, and then you're sitting at about 730 seconds on your front tires. So I'll have those rotated front to back for you.
Why do we use TruVideo? We use TruVideo to give our guests what they want. They want to be able to speak to the technician, and they want to be able to understand what repairs are being recommended and why.
Everything around here and under the vehicle is as should. We still have your oil draining, and we'll get all four of your brakes maintenance stopped.
Who wants to pay for repairs they don't understand? I know I don't. There's no fee with TruVideo, just transparency. Book a peace of mind service at OpenRoad Lexus Port Moody today, and we'll see you soon.